I need help. Australia is a huge market. So far, it appears to me that I have it all to myself. I can't cope with the demand anymore. I am looking for a person willing to set up and work in their own electronics repairs business, with whom I could share my overwhelming workload. Any age, any gender, no prior knowledge required, seriously motivated person and keen to learn, technically minded, and patient. I can train you for free if needed. I taught myself from a virtual zero, so anybody can do it. I even can help you with setting up the business. And I can lend basic startup equipment to save you money from the beginning. Before I started, I tried to find any course of electronics repairs in Australia. I couldn't find anything, so I watched hundreds of videos on YouTube of other people repairing electronic devices. Thousands of hours. Completed several online courses and read numerous forums to learn how to repair electronic devices professionally. I have compiled all this knowledge and I am ready to pass it on to somebody, in much shorter and compacted version. As well, as valuable tips and several techniques I developed myself. 2 to 3 months of medium intensity training and you should be good to go on your own. And start earning money. This is great opportunity for somebody looking to work for themselves, from home, in the exciting and very satisfying field, and covering virtually untapped market. When I am confident with the level of your knowledge and skills, I can give you 20 to 30 jobs to start earning money immediately. As well, as direct to you many jobs in the future. I would prefer cooperation, but competition is okay too. Anything to share workload, and help so many people in need of repairs of their devices.